Hey, what's up, YouTube? February the 13th. I'm at home chilling. Had a great day today. Delivered a rug, and I also did two new customers. One was a referral, and one also found me on Google. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you guys hear something what one of my new customers told me today. He was referred to me by one of my other previous clients, and he had a big name company come out about a year ago, and they had stains. He had pet stains all throughout the basement in the house, and they told him that these stains could not be removed. Well, he decided to call me because I can't highly recommend it. I went out there, I did my thing. The guy was amazed. He had carpet samples, so he was also thinking about replacing the carpet if I couldn't get the stains out. But the point of me doing this video is because I have a different way where I coach and teach a lot of cleaners that follow me. Is I like to keep things plain and simple, okay? Because the reason why I like to keep it plain and simple for my clients, I don't like to scare my customers. I don't like to, give my customers too much information, because the thing about it is, one thing we have to realize is there is a such thing as information overload, where you can give your customers too much information and it scares them, it confuses them, and that's not the way I like to roll. And that's why I think I've been so successful with my business is I like to keep it plain and simple, okay? Tell my customers what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, how much it's going to be. I'm happy, they're happy. As long as I do my part, the business just keeps growing. And this is a prime example of what you guys are about to hear of why I like to do it the way I do it and also show others. Because at the end of the day, I don't care what you sell the customer, how you sell it, how much information you give them. At the end of the day, the end results is what's going to matter, okay? And I'm a firm believer in building relationships, okay? I don't want my customers just to be customers. I want them to be friends. I want them. This guy was recommending me before I even left the house. And he told me, he said, I've already texted your information to people in their neighborhood. He lived in a very, very upscale neighborhood. So guys, again, just listen to what my customer today said, and hopefully you guys can learn from it. That you expected.
Is this your company?
Yes, it is.
It's not an actual, not a franchise?
No,
Anything?
no, sir.
All right, good. Well, you mean telling another business owner?
Yeah, I mean, like, about, the experience today.
Yeah.
And compared to what I did today
Right.
to what you experienced in the past.
Okay, all right. First of all, you were very prompt. You agreed to come do the job without a long delay.
Okay.
So you came in today and were very professional and took care of business.
Yes, sir.
And I was questionable. I was doubtful
wow.
that you were going to be able to do it. And I thought, well, you got to prove to me,
Yes.
that you're going to be able to do it. Because I'd already had a year ago a big national name where they came in and tried and couldn't get anything up.
Wow.
And even told me one spot was probably worn out. It wasn't a stain, it was worn out. All right. So now, after you did it, you were here less than 2 hours.
Yep.
Did your business very professionally. And when I went down to take a look at it, I was shocked. First thing I noticed is the big spot at the end of the stairs was gone. Mm-hmm. And that's the one that the guy said it was probably worn out and you can't clean it.
Okay.
All right, so I checked the bedroom, I checked the hall, I checked the pool room and the TV room and the back storage area and everything like that. It's perfect, just like brand new.
Wow.
So I don't need new carpet.
Yep.
I save a lot of money in that regard.
Yes, sir.
So now I can live with it down there, and it even smells so much cleaner and everything.
Yes. Now, I'm pretty sure you have home services done all the time. Mm-hmm. As a homeowner, and you said you've been in the subdivision for 10 years, and right. I noticed that you also play golf, so you probably talk to a lot of people.
Yeah.
What are some of the things that you look for out of a company, and what would make you refer a company to your neighbors and friends?
Well, the big thing is a service to a high enough degree that I'd want to call you back for something else. I learned a long time ago that if you're dealing with customers, the first objective ought to be, I want to do a good enough job to make them want to use me again.
Yes.
To come back. And that's the feeling I've got. I've already sent text out to friends of mine. One of them just called me and said, "Do you had that carpet done down there?" They were familiar with the stain. So I'm already spreading the word.
Wow.
I text Kim and thanked her for referring me to you. And then I'll tell everybody. That doesn't cost you a dime, because that's word of mouth coming from people who actually experience the service.
Yes.
We don't have to run a TV ad, and we don't have to do high cost advertising, anything like that. Do your job and you'll grow your business.
There you go.
Okay.
Leon, thank you so much.
All right.
All righty. All right, guys, there it is. Cleaners Connect, Cleaners Elite. Let you guys know this is real job, real customers. And I'm happy that he's happy. And like you said, I had a guy tell me the same thing a long time ago. I always share this story.
Yeah.
I met a guy when I first started my business about 13 years ago. His name was Mr. Ken. And him and his son ran a 2-truck AC company. Right. And I asked Mr. Ken at the time, I said, "Mr. Ken, I'm starting my business. How do I get business?" And I said, "How do you advertise, Mr. Ken?" And he looked at me, he said, "Courtney, I don't." I said, "You don't?" Yeah. He said, "Let me tell you something. If you do a good job and you take care of your customers, they will take care of you. And there will come a time that you will not have to advertise."
Well, quality does miracles, I mean, for your business. If you do the right job and you do it in a quality way and you're professional about it, then people are dying for knowing that somebody out there is doing their job.
Wow.
How many people do you think I referred zero res to?
None.
None. I mean, I've told a lot of bad stories and I've complained about it, right?
Yes.
But that's so critical that you do a good job, and then you don't have to tell me to refer you to somebody else. You don't have to say, "Would you please do me a favor and refer somebody?" You don't have to do that. You did it.
Thank you. Yeah. I said that yesterday. That's why I don't ask my customers if I did a good job or would they refer me, because if I did my job, they're going to do it anyway.
You're doggone right, because the need is there.
The need is there.
Everybody needs services that are good, and not ripped off and not overpriced and all that kind of stuff. So it's critical out there. People need that kind of services. So when I was waiting on you to finish that last part, I sent out a text to my friends, about it. I put your name down there, and I said, if you need somebody who really knows what he's doing. And then I got one call back just now.
Wow.
Saying, "Who was this now? What did he do? Did he get those stains up?"
Yep.
Yeah, they did.
Well, I'll tell you what, too. Before I leave, if you don't mind, let me give you some more of my brochures.
I got 2 of them in there.
You got 2 of them? Okay, great.
Don't waste your money.
All right.
You don't need to do that.
I don't need to do that either.
No,
but Mr. Leah, thank you again.
We got your name. We got everything now. And,
wow.
And Kim said, she sent me a text back. I'll show you what she sent.
All righty. See there, guys? See there?
Good. You did that on the spot?
Yes, sir.
You did? Okay. Let me see. Look what she sent back.
Yeah,
Yahoo, that's fantastic.
That's fantastic.
That's Kim.
That's Kim.
Kim Lamb. This is her right here.
Uh-oh. All right, Cleaners Connect. See you guys in the next one.
She sold another house for me.
Yep.
10 years ago.
Yep, Mr. Clam. Yep.
Kim Lamb.